Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports, and in cricket is where we bowl off as the Jamaica Scorpions were bowled out for 221 in their first innings against the Leeward Islands Hurricanes after resuming day 2 on 173 for 6 of their regional 4-day match at Sabina Park. Opener Carlos Brown, resuming on 68, was dismissed for a top score of 80, while Romain Morris added 42. Derval Green was not out on 20. Jeremiah Lewis picked up 3 for 34. He was supported by Rakeem Cornwall, who took 3 for 69. In response, the Hurricanes are currently 72 for 2. Kieran Powell was dismissed for 41, the top scorer so far, and Michael Lewis went for a duck. Green and Ramal Lewis are the wicket takers so far for the Jamaica Scorpions. In football, Limehall Academy and the Treasure Beach FC were officially relegated from the Ray and Nephi Jamaica Premier League on Wednesday. Limehall were hammered by Harbourview FC 6-0 at Jacksall. Waterhouse Andre Fletcher condemned Treasure Beach to the second division next season after scoring a hat-trick in the 4-2 defeat at a 4-2 victory at Stets. Tivoli Gardens put on a 6-star performance against Malines in a 9-goal encounter at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. Dunbeholden moved from 6th to 8th in a 2-0 loss to Montego Bay at home, and the Mount Pleasant FC are still remain at the top of the league, picking up 1 point in a 0-0 draw with Vere United. And just a quick update from Champs. The top 3 girls in the girls class 200 meters all made progress to the semi-finals after winning their respective preliminary heats on day 3 of the Asa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships currently underway at the National Stadium. Of course, you can continue watching Champs live on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, OneSpotMedia.com with live radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. And that's it for your midday sports report. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Shane Masters, it's back to you.
Thanks, Giovanni. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.